The first point we're going to look at for stress and anxiety is pericardium 6. Measure 3 fingers below the wrist and then go in between the 2 tendons. So here you can place your 3 fingers down, find where that point is, and then place your thumb down. You can lift the wrist to pop up the tendons, and you want to get in between the 2 tendons. Research has shown that this point is effective for treating nausea. Now you want to hold this point for 1 to 3 minutes, and you could even work with the breath as you are on this point just to help increase that feeling of relaxation and to decrease anxious thoughts. Yin Tang 1 is located in between the eyebrows, and this is also known as the third eye. With this point, you want to rub in a circular clockwise motion for relaxation. This point has been shown to be good for stress, anxiety, as well as cardiovascular conditions. You can also work with the breath at this point, and that will once again help the client or whoever you are relax. Ren 17, the Sea of Qi, is located in the front of the sternum along the midline. It's going to be in between the 2 nipples, right in the middle of the chest. With this point, I like to use 3 fingertips, and I'll press down quite gently, and you're looking for the tension in the chest to ease away. You're looking for it to slowly unwind. So here I'm pressing down, I'm using more intention than anything, and I'm allowing the tissue in that area to relax. This is used a lot in myofascial release. If you've taken workshops, you might know this technique, and it works absolutely fantastically. I use it all the time on myself. I absolutely love this point. It's completely amazing for relaxing the body. Hold this point with the 3 fingertips for 1 to 3 minutes. Use your intention to drop down into the point and focus on allowing it to unwind and relax.